This is Julian Gino reporting for Valencia College News Network. And in today's segment of Earthwatch, we're going to be talking about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. What is it? Where is it located? How did it get there? And how does it affect us all? The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a collection of marine debris consisting of, as the name would imply, our trash or human waste. This includes plastic bottles, plastic bags, fishing net, and gear, amongst other things. And since plastic does not degrade easily, taking decades or hundreds of years to completely break down, most of the waste comes in the form of microplastics through the process of photodegradation. So no, not a garbage island as the name would imply, but more of a garbage soup, and not visible on satellite or Google Earth. It is located in the North Pacific Ocean between two parts: the eastern garbage patch between California and Hawaii, and the western garbage patch located near Japan, with the eastern garbage patch roughly between 135 degrees west to 155 degrees west and 35 degrees north to 42 degrees north, according to World Atlas. How did it form? This came through a combination of incorrectly disposed of waste or trash and the four currents of the Pacific Ocean: the California Current, the North Pacific Current, the North Equatorial Current, and the Kuroshio. These four currents rotate clockwise, collecting and trapping the waste in their calm center, leaving the trash perpetually spinning with nowhere to go, much like the gears in a clock. It was discovered in 1997 by yachtsman Charles Moore. However, some of the trash in the patch has been dated to have been produced as far back as 1977, so it could have formed at any time prior to that, or any of the years before then. The environmental impact of this patch falls mostly on marine life and marine animals looking for food, with turtles mistaking plastic bags for jellyfish and albatrosses mistaking the microplastics for fish eggs. Also, the term ghost fishing applies to animals like seals, whales, and turtles getting caught in the fishing gear, causing injury, strangulation, or even suffocation. The garbage on the surface also blocks light from reaching the bottom and reaching autotrophs like algae and plankton, thus affecting the core of the food web. The impact on humans in the short term comes from the microplastics being consumed by the marine life, ending up and possibly ending up on our plates, in some way completing the cycle of the plastic. In the long term, any of the effects that the patch has on marine life eventually affects the ocean's food web and environment, causing imbalance or positive feedback due to losing species in the chain and their prey overpopulating. Anything be done about it? Efforts are continually being made to clean up the patch by nonprofit organizations such as Ocean Voyages Institute and Ocean Cleanup Project. However, one estimate by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration says it would take 67 ships and crew 1 year to clean up less than 1% of the waste. So at this point, the best thing that can be done on an individual, or even better, a national level, are to eliminate, limit, or properly dispose of our waste, leading into an eventual cleanup. If not, the patch will continue to grow, negatively impact more of our environment, and more importantly, impact the sensitive ocean environment, which is a huge factor in the global climate.